Did you know that giraffes have the same amount of vertebrae in their neck as humans do? Or that a rhino's horn is made out of keratin, which is just like our hair and our nails? These are just a few fun facts that I've learned while studying animal and poultry sciences and being in the field of veterinary medicine. And I value all of my time spent learning about animals, and I'm so excited to meet all the animals that I can. I first transferred to Virginia Tech as a junior in college. Every class for my major was very unique. One of my classes would spend their labs out in barns, so I learned how to halter cattle, herd them, and even vaccinate them. Before I'd gone to Virginia Tech, I hadn't even met a cow before. And for our final for that class, one of our tests was to flip a sheep and then figure out just how old it was only by looking at its teeth. So that was pretty crazy. I never thought that I'd be able to do that before in my life before doing that. So anyways, looking at this first picture, that is just one opportunity that I had at Virginia Tech. It was at the vet school on campus in Blacksburg. They had an open house, and some of the vet students brought in their pets from home. So it was really cool that I had that opportunity to hold that giant snake. Another cool opportunity that I had was being in the poultry club. I was able to meet the turkeys that have been pardoned by both President Obama and President Trump. The turkeys have been pardoned at Virginia Tech for 3 consecutive years now. So I think it was really cool that I got to meet them and learn about how they're cared for and all that sort of stuff. Another cool experience was being at the llama farm. This was an experience that I had with the pre-vet club at Virginia Tech. So we went out and we volunteered to help vaccinate the llamas, get them ready for their new owners, and help with handling and all that sort of stuff. So I thought my experiences at Virginia Tech were unmatched. And that was until I got this amazing internship for a summer at the Houston Zoo. So that's over here looking at this picture of the giraffe. I was working with all the hoofed animals, so giraffes, okapi, rhinos, all sorts of animals like that. And I really think that they basically only accepted me because of my experiences from Virginia Tech. So I thought it was really cool that I could pass over what I'd learned at Tech and use it at the zoo at that time. Another really cool thing that I value a lot was my ability to work in a mixed animal clinic in Blacksburg while I was still studying. So that would be the picture of the ferret and the duck. I never thought I'd be able to experience a duck walking into an animal clinic before, so I thought that was amazing. I'm beyond grateful for everything I've ever experienced at work and at school, and I'm hoping that I can build on these experiences one day in vet school. So that would be really cool, and I'm really looking forward to that.